Ever wondered if everything you've heard about fiber is actually true? We're about to delve into that very topic. Fiber, a type of carbohydrate found exclusively in plant foods, is renowned for its role in our diets. It's a unique player in the nutrition game, as our digestive system can't fully break it down. There are two types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, slowing down digestion, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, speeding up the passage of food through our system. These characteristics have led to many common beliefs about the benefits of fiber. But are these beliefs rooted in fact or fiction? That's the question we're about to explore. Over the next few minutes, we'll be tackling 7 common myths about fiber, examining the evidence, and revealing the truth. Stay tuned as we debunk some popular myths about fiber. Myth number 1, fiber lowers cholesterol. Is it true? This belief has been around for decades, but let's delve deeper into it. Cholesterol is often viewed as a villain in our bodies. However, it plays an essential role in our health. It is a crucial component of our cell membranes and is instrumental in the production of certain hormones. Cholesterol also aids in the formation of bile acids, which are necessary for digestion. The common myth that fiber lowers cholesterol comes from the idea that soluble fiber binds with cholesterol in our digestive system, preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. While this might sound plausible, it's not the entire story. Studies show that while soluble fiber can mildly reduce LDL cholesterol, the so-called bad cholesterol, it doesn't significantly affect HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, or the overall cholesterol ratio, which is a more accurate predictor of heart disease risk. Moreover, the belief that lower cholesterol levels are better isn't entirely accurate either. Research suggests that very low cholesterol levels can lead to negative health outcomes, including an increased risk of mortality. In fact, cholesterol is not the evil monster it's made out to be. It's necessary for our bodies to function properly. The real issue lies in the imbalance of LDL and HDL cholesterol, not in the total cholesterol level itself. So, it seems the cholesterol-lowering ability of fiber isn't as straightforward as we thought. Now let's tackle the second myth. Fiber stabilizes blood sugar. It's a belief held by many, and for good reason. Fiber, particularly the soluble kind, slows down digestion. This slower process can help prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels post-meals, creating the perception that fiber is the knight in shining armor for blood sugar stabilization. But let's delve a little deeper. Is it fiber doing the heavy lifting, or is there another factor at play? Interestingly, research suggests that reducing overall carbohydrate intake can be more effective in stabilizing blood sugar levels than simply increasing fiber. Why so? Let's break it down. Carbohydrates, including fiber, are broken down into sugars by our bodies. These sugars then enter our bloodstream, pushing up our blood sugar levels. Now, while fiber itself doesn't directly contribute to this sugar increase, the other carbohydrates that often accompany fiber in our meals certainly do. So, if we reduce our total carbohydrate intake, we're essentially decreasing the amount of sugar entering our bloodstream and thereby more effectively controlling our blood sugar levels. It's not to say that fiber doesn't play a role, but perhaps its role has been overplayed, overshadowing the importance of a balanced carbohydrate intake. Interesting, isn't it? The blood sugar stabilizing effect of fiber might not be as it seems. The world of nutrition is complex and ever-evolving. As we continue to learn and explore, it's crucial to question and understand the intricacies of our diets and the impacts they truly have on our bodies. On to the third myth. Fiber aids in weight loss. Or does it really? You see, the belief that fiber aids in weight loss is quite popular. It's a claim that's been casually thrown around in health circles. And why not? After all, fiber keeps you feeling full for longer, and thus, theoretically, should lead to less calorie intake. However, the reality might be a tad different. The weight loss benefits of fiber might not be as straightforward as they seem. The effectiveness of fiber in weight loss is highly dependent on the individual's overall dietary habits and lifestyle. There's also another critical factor at play here: the healthy user bias. This is a phenomenon where people who tend to consume a lot of fiber also tend to lead healthier lifestyles. They might exercise more, smoke less, and generally make healthier food choices. When studies show that high fiber intake is associated with weight loss, there's a chance that other healthier habits of these high fiber consumers are influencing the results. This is not to say that fiber doesn't play any role in weight management. It does, but it's not a silver bullet. It's just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet and regular exercise are still the key players in weight loss, so the connection between fiber and weight loss might not be as strong as we've been led to believe. Myth number 4, fiber is an essential nutrient. This belief has been ingrained in us for decades, but let's take a closer look. Fiber, found in plant foods, is a type of carbohydrate that our bodies can't fully digest. There are 2 types: soluble fiber, which dissolves in water and slows digestion, and insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to our stool and accelerates food passage. Now, here's the kicker. While these functions can aid in digestion, they're not necessarily essential to our body's functioning. In fact, our bodies are quite adept at functioning without fiber. For instance, there are societies that thrive on animal-based diets virtually devoid of fiber, yet they maintain excellent health markers. This suggests that our bodies can adapt and function optimally, even without the regular intake of fiber. Moreover, some studies show that reducing carbohydrate intake can actually be more beneficial for cholesterol and blood sugar levels than increasing fiber intake. This further challenges the notion of fiber as a must-have nutrient. To top it all off, the health benefits associated with fiber, such as weight loss or blood sugar control, are often influenced by healthy user bias. This means people who consume more fiber generally lead healthier lifestyles, which can skew the perceived benefits of fiber itself. In conclusion, while fiber can contribute to a healthy diet and lifestyle, it's not the be-all and end-all nutrient it's often made out to be. Turns out, fiber might not be as essential as we've always thought. Let's quickly debunk the remaining myths about fiber. There's this popular belief that fiber can help prevent colon cancer. This idea has been floating around for years, but the evidence supporting it is shaky at best. In fact, some studies suggest that a high-fiber diet might not have any significant effect on colon cancer risk. A closer look reveals that the correlation between fiber intake and lower colon cancer risk is weak and inconsistent. Now let's tackle the myth of fiber being necessary for regular bowel movements. You might be surprised to learn that the human body can regulate bowel movements without the help of fiber. Yes, insoluble fiber can add bulk to the stool and speed up the passage of food, but it's not the be-all and end-all of digestive health. Our bodies are complex machines, capable of maintaining regularity without a high-fiber diet. Then there's the misconception that fiber can prevent heart disease. While it's true that fiber can have some impact on factors influencing heart health, like cholesterol, it's not a magic bullet. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle overall are much more important for heart health. Finally, let's address the myth that a high-fiber diet can help manage diabetes. While fiber does slow down digestion and can reduce blood sugar spikes, it's not the most effective way to manage this condition. Reducing overall carbohydrate intake can have a more significant impact on blood sugar levels. And there you have it, the last of the fiber myths debunked. We've debunked quite a few myths about fiber today, haven't we? We've pierced the veil on misinformation, revealing that cholesterol is an essential part of our bodily functions, and low levels might not be as beneficial as we're led to believe. We've also uncovered that stabilizing blood sugar might not be as simple as increasing fiber intake, and that reducing carbohydrates could potentially be a more effective strategy. We've also shed light on the belief that fiber is a silver bullet for weight loss, and questioned its status as an essential nutrient. As we've seen, there's more to these stories than meets the eye. It's not about eliminating fiber or carbs completely. It's about understanding our bodies and making informed decisions about our health. Remember, it's crucial to question common beliefs and do our own research. We should always strive to understand the why behind the what. We hope you found this video enlightening. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.